Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be doing fine inside your homes. It is pandemic that is building pressure on the entire UT of Z&K. In these days, the wise attempt is to remain inside your homes, stick to the books so that you can prepare yourselves for the coming examinations that shall be taken by board in the month of October or November. And board has already issued an notification regarding the examination forms, and we are submitting your examination forms shortly. So if you remain inside your home, stick to the books, you can benefit yourselves in dual ways. One, you will prepare for the coming examinations, and second, you will defeat the COVID-19 infection. It is question number 5, exercise 10.2, class 10th mathematics, chapter circle. You are watching mathematical statement on the board. Prove that the tangent is drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle or parallel. Dear students, in order to minimize the communication gap, I will solve this mathematical question or problem for you in Kashmiri language so that the actual things will reach to you. Now, matlab go, a circle C with center O. When diameter kya sa go chord, you center means pass gasan chu. For example, eighth beach diameter. Diameter को longest chord of the circle passing through the center of the circle. Yus half of diameter su chh radius. Yani OA the radius ٲسِتھ OB te hekہِ radius ٲسِتھ AB AOB yus chu yani AB yus chu yہِ چھُ diameter. Dapan end چھُ اکھ یہِ اَتھ A بیاکھ end چھُ اَتھ B dapan اَپٲرۍ زٕ tangent یِوان تراونہٕ. say یپٲرۍ چھُ یِوان تراونہٕ PQ یپٲرۍ چھُ یِوان بیاکھ tangent تراونہٕ یہِ چھُ یِوان RS. دپان تُہۍ ؤنِو سا یہِ پی کیو چھا پرل آر ایس ایس یُتُے سوال یِم ہسا زٕ ٹینجنٹ پیوان چھِ ایٹ د اینڈس آف ڈایمیٹر یپٲرۍ چھِ پیوان اکھ یپٲرۍ چھِ پیوان بیاکھ تُہۍ ؤنِو یِم ہسا ٹینجنٹ زٕ پیوان چھِ چھا پانہٕ ؤنۍ پرل گِون گۄڈٕ چھِ دِتھ اے سرکل وِتھ سینٹر او two tangents, زٕ tangent کُس کُس اکھ چھُ PQ and RS. PQ and RS are drawn at the ends of diameter. Diameter AB. یپٲرۍ چھُ پیوان اکھ یپٲرۍ چھُ پیوان یہِ چھِ diameter's end یپٲرۍ چھُ to prove کیٛاہ چھُ تۄہہِ کرُن prove چھُ کرُن تۄہہِ PQ چھا parallel RS. Prove. چونکہ یتھ tangent to the circle, you go point of contact, tangent to circle is a perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Yus tell you OH. Yes, perpendicular kath pe PQs. Yus you OB chu. Yes, perpendicular kath RSS. Yadat perpendicular pe one such 90 banan. तो मतलब गो यु सी एंगल PAO यह बराबर ने OAP निमन एंगल OAP यह बराबर तेल एंगल AOQ AOQ क्या दुश्वाई छम बराबर 90 युस ये एंगल छु OBR यह वर्किंग इज OBS बराबर OBS क्या दुश्वाई छम 90 को त्यो मतलब गो युस ये एंगल ABS निमन युस AB तो S यानी मन सुधी एंगल OB तो S OB तो S यह बराबर कथ एंगलस OAQ because each is 90 यस योर कनिक एंगल OBR यह बराबर OAPS each is 90. मगर तुई वुचु अगर यम एंगल वुचु ये टेंजेंट ये ब्याक टेंजेंट ये एंगल डेमस एंगल्स बराबर योरकनिक एंगल्स योरकनिक एंगल्स बराबर पर दीज आर व्हाट हम क्या यानी ये लाइन ये ब्याक लाइन ए बी कर ट्रांसवर्सल ए बी ट्रांसवर्सल बट दीज आर हम क्या इंटीरियर alternate angles interior alternate angles हम interior alternate angles when alternate interior alternate angles are equal equal lines parallel therefore is PQ is parallel dear students question got solved for you in case of any confusion that strikes your mind after watching this video you can call me on 7006 671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number and when you post your query by calling or by WhatsApping within short duration of time, your query or question shall be answered. But before leaving class, I am advising you mathematics is a technical subject to do practice mathematics inside your homes so that you will get the mastery over the subject. And in these days of pandemic, you have to remain inside in home confinement to prepare the things for the examination and also defeat COVID-19 infection by remaining in home quarantine. Thanks. Be by the side.